Today, I have come up with an instant snack made from semolina that is really crispy and could be prepared in no time. Welcome to Suzacs, the world of simple quick recipes. First of all, boil 2 cups of water in a pan. To this, add half a tablespoon chopped ginger, half of a green chilli chopped, half of a finely chopped onion, a few chopped curry leaves and half teaspoon of salt. Just give it a mix. Now add 1 cup of semolina. I have used roasted semolina, but you can also use the unroasted one. Combine it well. Keep it on medium heat and mix it until there is no water left. Now switch off the flame and let it cool a bit. Now add a bit of oil and combine everything well. Now check salt and add if required. Now grease both of your hands with a little bit of oil and make small balls. Tighten it properly so that it doesn't break later when you put it in oil. Make hole from both the sides. And fry it in oil which is preheated. Take care that the oil should be really hot and should be immersed well in oil. No need to reduce heat, just flip it on both sides until it is golden brown. That's it, now you can take it out. Our instant vadas are ready and it's as easy as that. You can have it as such or with coconut chutney. It's really crispy and tasty and a very good option for a quick snack. Hope you all like it. Please try and let us know your feedback. See you with another video. Bye.